Right, on to question 14. So we have a table that gives some information about some fundamental particles, and the first thing we need to do is fill out the missing gaps. So we'll start with the first one. We've got not much information, but we are told the quark structure. Remember that an up quark has a charge of 2/3, that's plus 2/3, and a down quark has a charge of minus 1/3. So we've got two ups, two of these and one down. 2/3 plus 2/3 minus 1/3 gives me a charge of plus 1. So that gives us some clue. It's a baryon because it consists of 3 quarks, and they're not antiquarks, so it has a baryon number of 1 also. And I can tell straight away with the charge of 1, baryon number of 1, and this quark structure that this must be a proton. The sigma particle, also a baryon, so I'm going to put 1 in the baryon column. We've got 2 ups and a strange, so a strange particle has a charge of minus 1/3, so again that's going to be plus 1, that's already given to us. The strange particle has a strangeness of minus 1, a bit like the electron, it's kind of inverted, so that an anti-strange would have a strangeness of 1. And finally we've got a meson, because we know we've got a quark-antiquark pair. 1 up quark will give us 2/3, an anti-down will give us another 1/3, so that will give us a charge of plus 1. Because it's a meson, we know there's no charge, that's already given to us. And if you look in your formula sheet, you should be able to identify that one meson with a plus charge is likely to be a pi plus particle. Okay, moving on. Quark structure of an anti-baryon. So there's going to be 3 quarks in a baryon. We're not asked for any particular one, so if you get a question like this, I will just do 3 Qs. These aren't any particular quarks, these are just general quarks. It's an anti-baryon, so we're going to put little lines above it to denote that. And finally, question 3. Give one property of an antiparticle that is the same for its corresponding particle, and one property that is different. So we're looking at particles and antiparticles, things that are the same. I would go with rest mass. That's the obvious one. Something that's different. You've got a choice, but I think the obvious one could be charge. Basically, any of the quantum numbers. So charge, baryon number. They're the two which seem to be the most obvious. And that's question 14.